Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 202 Star Drop opening. So, let's see what we got.
Epic.
Starting with an epic. Okay.
I might be armless, but I'm in no way
Technazy.
harmless.
I don't think that's too expensive a skin, but it looks pretty cool. For our second Star Drop.
Rare.
25 power points. For the third,
Super
yeah,
rare.
super rare. 100 coins. So we're on to the second day of the Brawl Together event. And it looks like we have the epic Star Drop in the shop. So it looks like it lasts 12 days, right? So what I'm thinking is the season's already gonna end in like 4 days, right? I think I'm just gonna save everything we unlock for one huge Star Drop opening. Probably the most anyone's ever opened in the actual game ever. Because again, for some reason the developers decided that they're not going to allow people to store Star Drops, so you have to complete the 3 daily ones and open them as you complete them. Again, the way I do it is I play the 8 matches or get the 8 wins and then open all 3 at once, but again, you just can't store them, which is kind of annoying, but it's whatever. Anyway, for the daily freebie, you have 60 XP doublers and 10 power points. Looks like Dr. Edgar is 50% off as well. If you guys wanted that, I'm pretty sure it's an epic skin, right? It's purple.
So awesome.
Yeah, so you could probably get that as a Star Drop anyway, but if you guys want it, it's there. Let's just have a quick look at the Brawl Together milestones here. So, I'm sure by the end of today, probably. Again, I don't remember what all the different milestones are. You'd have to actually watch the video here to know which each one is. But it looks like we're very close to getting double Star Drops there. So I think we might even be able to get that by tomorrow. We'll have to see, but we're pretty darn close already. So, again, I don't think much has changed since yesterday. Make sure to get your boss fights done if you guys haven't done that yet. And without further ado, today I have 60 XP doublers. Pretty sure I just got that in the daily freebie. And 21,509 power points. Again, I'll probably use those on Larry and Laurie here. But do I really need over 20,000? Anyway, guys, yeah, let's see how far I can take this, and let me know what you're thinking of the Brawl Together event so far, and of course the Broken Larry and Laurie Brawler.